Our skin is the largest organ in the body and acts as a living barrier, protecting us from pathogens, UV light, chemicals, and mechanical injury. It also plays a major role in our appearance, contributing to facial beauty. The skin is composed of 3 layers: the epidermis, which acts as the barrier, the dermis, which provides strength and flexibility, both of which are vital components of healthy, young-looking skin, and the subdermal layer. As we age, so does our skin. And this aging process can be classified into 2 categories: intrinsic and extrinsic, both of which lead to a progressive loss of structural integrity and physiological function. Intrinsic structural changes within the skin occur as a natural consequence of aging and are genetically determined. However, extrinsic aging is a result of external factors, such as exposure to sunlight, pollution, and lifestyle choices. One of the major modifications to our skin as we age is to the amount and quality of the collagen produced. Collagen is a strong and flexible component of the dermis that acts as the skin's support structure. However, skin collagen decreases linearly by about 1% per year throughout adult life. By the age of 45, you face around 25% of collagen loss. This age-induced collagen loss weakens the skin's structure, causing fine lines and wrinkles to appear, as well as reducing the skin's elasticity and moisture. Sculptra is an injectable that helps to stimulate the skin's own natural collagen production over time to correct the appearance of facial lines and folds. It contains irregular-shaped microparticles of poly-L-lactic acid, PLLA, which are 40 to 63 microns in size and are injected into the appropriate injection plane. Appearance of immediate correction is seen due to the sterile water for injection volume. This is absorbed by the body within 24 to 48 hours. The PLLA microparticles induce a controlled response, which leads to the recruitment of fibroblasts and the stimulation of collagen production within the dermis. The PLLA is slowly and naturally broken down and eliminated by the body as carbon dioxide, water, glucose, and lactate. Sculptra works subtly and gradually for results that can last up to 25 months after the last injection session. It is a unique treatment that helps to revitalize collagen production and helps restore your skin's inner structure and volume for a more youthful-looking appearance.